A picture and 4 smiles that are worth, I think, several thousand words. This is 15-year-old Nastya Spot and her 2 sisters reunited with their father after about 5 months due to the war in Ukraine. Nastya and her family are now back in their hometown in the Donbas region in eastern Ukraine. And as promised, Nastya Spot joins me now. Nastya, good to see you. Thank you for being with us. It is great to see you. You look terrific. Your hair has grown. My hair is exactly the same as when you last saw me. What on earth are you doing back home?
Thank you. I'm here to help my grandparents and with them because they're really hard. If started avia trip, they need to go and hide, and they don't have opportunity to do this. So I'm here to help my grandparents. So
you are in a very dangerous place, but you're reunited with your grandparents and your father, who you told me you were missing so desperately. Tell me about the good and bad of being back home.
Actually, when I went for interviews, about 1 minute ago, there was 2 planes. So I thought it will be a trip, but now we don't have it. My grandparents with me right now. I'm in my grandparents' home, but my dad in front line. He now in Donetsk region. I don't know. You hear about city Avdiivka?
Yeah.
That's a very big city right now. They're so dangerous. So my dad right now there. He called me sometimes, but they're really, really bad connection when I meet him. My dad told me he's so terrified, stuff, what's going on there in front line. And I just start crying. And when I in first time meet my dad, like first time in 6 months, I'm just cry. And dad started to tell me stories, how they hide, and his car was destroyed. So, and thanks God, I'm really grateful God because he saved my dad.
Well, how long did you spend with him? How long did you get to see him?
I spent with him 5 days, 6. They give dad takes day off 5-6 days, and he spent this time with us. So I'm really grateful for this time.
When I was introducing you, you were looking up in the corner. I didn't know what you were looking at. It looked like you might be looking at something on the ceiling or something. You said you see planes. Where you are, I couldn't believe it when I found out where you were, and I was looking at it on a map. You're between all the dangerous places. You're between Dnipro, Zaporizhia, Mariupol. What is it like where you are?
It's like I'm in the middle. I live 100 kilometers to Donetsk, 100 kilometers to Dnipro, 200 kilometers to Zaporizhia. So I'm in the middle, you know. When they want to shooting in Dnipro side, and the rockets go through our town, so I see all rockets. And when they shooting, yesterday my mom go to her friends in home. And they drink tea and speak about what's going on. And my mom calling me and say shooting. I say, Mom, I don't hear you. I don't hear that what's shooting. She say shooting, but there was in another side of our town. So it's independent. So I'm in the middle.
Do you feel scared?
No, actually, because it's really bad. But it started to be routine because today whole night was our trip. So my mom doesn't sleep, and I just sleep, and I just don't hear this. And mom's we need to go to hide. I say, Mom, I just don't want to sleep. I hope they will be shooting because they right now not shooting in my town quiet, but many planes go in Dnipro and etc. and many Ukrainians army goes through our town. So now in town, peaceful, but near to our town, 10 kilometers shooting. So it's independent with situation.
Nastya, tell me about your education. That's the thing you were most worried about when I met you in Warsaw. You were able to get some schooling there. The Polish people have been good about bringing Ukrainian students in, but you needed to think about your education for the future.
Yeah, I thought about this. I live 1 year that finished school in Ukraine, and we make the decision with my mom. So I finished 1 year of school in Ukraine, and after this, I will be trying to go to university. I don't know what the country that will be. That will be independent. What will be situation in Ukraine, and because the very bad situation, and you can go to university, you can study there, but we try online. So I hope that will be okay.
Do you still plan to come to the United States?
Actually, yeah, it's really the biggest dream, but now I think it's so far away, and this country they really need a visa. So I don't know. I'm very worried about this, but it's the biggest dream, of course.
Let's you and I stay in touch. You will realize your dreams. Thank you. I'm so happy to see that smile on your face.
Thank you so much.
I knew when I met you that you wanted to see your father and you wanted to be around your family and you loved your country. And now you're in your country and you get to see your father and you're with your family. Please stay safe, my friend. You and I will stay in close touch.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Bye-bye.
Nastya Shpad.